Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna install some LED bulbs in our Camry. So we have for the brake light, so that's good. So what I'm gonna do them in separate videos. So whatever video you see first, it will have a link towards for the tail light, for the brake light, for the dome light. It will have a link for all those, and for the reverse light. So it will cover all of them for the Toyota Camry. All right. So guys, these are the brake light we're gonna use. So it should flash when you press the brake, so we're gonna see how that goes. Let's go ahead and install it. So guys, just by turning on the light, I can see that this one is more bright and more red than this one right here. You can see the difference too as well. And when I press the brake, you can see it's strobe. You can see it's strobe before it stay on, so that's good. So let's do the installation process now, since we see that working. So this right here, you want to squeeze this, pull on this, alright, so that's off. You can take this off if you want, or you can just work your hand behind here and take out the brake light. The brake light gonna be the second one down. You want to rotate it, pull it out, just like that. So you just want to hold on to this and pull the bulb out, pull it straight out. Get this one right here, push it in, and you can see it come on, because I'm doing this with the light on, but you don't have to, but I just didn't want to go back and turn it off. Alright, so now we have both light, same brightness, and let's see what it do when we press the brake. So they flash before they stay on. So that's good, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. So this is the brake light. Let it go. Press it again. So you can see they flash when you press the brake, and they're way brighter than stock.